Missouri Business Today, this week's development news. Hi, I'm Amy Susan, Communications Director for the Missouri Department of Economic Development. Following recent news that the state's unemployment rate reached its lowest point in more than a decade, Missouri's economy continues to move forward with several companies announcing investments and new jobs last week. In St. Anne, leading broadband communications company Charter Communications announced the grand opening of its new state-of-the-art customer operations call center in the renovated Northwest Plaza Shopping Center, a more than $16 million investment that will create more than 200 new local jobs. With some of the fastest internet speeds in the nation, Missouri was the perfect place for the nation's fourth largest cable operator to grow its workforce. And Danish company Brodrine Hartmann AS will open a $30 million manufacturing facility in Rolla, creating 50 new jobs. The company is the world's leading manufacturer of molded fiber egg packaging, and its expansion announcement comes just weeks after the company met with Governor Jane Nixon at the North American International Auto Show in Detroit last month. Hartmann cited the area's excellent workforce, competitive business climate, and ready transportation access as leading site selection factors. Local IT services company Venuity is also expanding, adding 50 jobs over the next 3 years in Cape Girardeau. The new jobs will be based out of the Douglas C. Green Center for Innovation and Entrepreneurship on the Southeast Missouri State University campus. The company plans to actively recruit in the surrounding rural area using a combination of existing tech talent, student workers on the path to official degrees and certifications, and underemployed individuals to fill open positions. In this week's tech news, agriculture technology company Edison Agrosciences has announced that it will move its headquarters from North Carolina to St. Louis, where it will create half a dozen new jobs. And to foster both the company's growth and the growth in the state's Agtech sector, the Missouri Technology Corporation will also invest $75,000 into the company to help fund its proof of concept and support further testing of its technology to develop a new commercially viable rubber crop. And building upon recent data showing Missouri leading the nation in new business creation, 2 Missouri cities have now been recognized as having the nation's fastest growing startup scenes. Using figures from Mattermark, Business Insider recently pinpointed Kansas City as the nation's 10th best startup city, with venture capital investment deal growth of more than 31% last year. And coming in at number 1 on the ranking was St. Louis, with 2015 investment deal growth of more than 342%. And that is Missouri Business Today. For the full news coverage, be sure to visit MissouriBusinessToday.com.